Hi everyone. So I visited to Ikea Hyderabad today and I was so amazed by the collection they had. We started with the living room decor first and they had huge variety of sofas starting from 3-seater to 5-seater and whatnot. They were of all shapes and sizes and colors. They were very comfortable and at very affordable prices. There were also huge discounts going on at IKEA, so you can really go and check it out at this season. They are literally giving 70% off on major of their products. This yellow sofa literally caught my eyes. We also had a huge variety of single sofas and chairs. They were also very much comfortable and very unique in designs. The setup literally looked simply out of my Pinterest board. There were many photo frames and wall clocks options as well. They also had a huge variety of flower vase. I have taken the video in a manner so that you can literally check out the price range for each one of them. They were all differently and uniquely designed with perfect shape and color. They were so unique and so Pinterest inspired. For girlies like me, you can surely visit this place for unique designs for your living room and bedroom. So you must hurry and visit IKEA Hyderabad because we have 70% sale in every decorative items. We also got to see lot of edible items including organic honey, cocoa powder and sweet potato, chocolate bars and so on. Then we went to the kids section where soft toys were all over. This polar bear was literally my favorite. There were beds all around, bunk beds, which I'm sure the kids would love to sleep in. Then we had small tables and chairs, and they were so cutely designed. Then we also get to see the rooms that were specially designed for kids between the age of 3 to 10 and beyond. They also had a huge variety of options for adult beds starting from 20,000 to 60,000 and beyond, and they were so affordable, so sturdy, and each one of them were uniquely designed. We then moved to the kitchen section, and oh my god, we had lots and lots of options for boxes, jars, containers, storage boxes, and whatnot. And trust me, they were so affordable. There were literally pieces out there which was below 100 rupees or below 250 rupees. I think this section was literally my favorite section in the entire IKEA. I could spot so many pieces which I really wanted to take home along with me. There were huge variety of plates, bowls, glasses, coffee mugs and whatnot. Do tell me in the comment section which product you like the most in the entire haul. And do visit IKEA Hyderabad to avail 70% end of season sale where you can get affordable variety range of products starting from living room to bedroom, kids section, kitchen area, bathroom or balcony or office spaces. Do like, comment, share and subscribe for more such videos.